What if I told you that there are people who don't know how to make the real Sago, super juicy, very creamy, and very easy to make it? And I'm also going to teach you how to make a white cream that will let it even more delicious. We'll use 500 grams of Sago, 3 liters of water, and let it there hydrating, okay guys? It must be hydrated. Then in a pan, let's add some cinnamon, and then all the Sago that is already hydrated, all right? When you see that it's already hydrated, you can put inside of the pan. And let's cook it very well, guys. Go mixing it a little bit. Once in a blue moon. When you see that it's creamy, it's in the right texture. And then we are going to sift, okay? It looks like a jelly. And then after taking all the excess of the water, we are going to take back to the stove. As you can see, it looks like a jelly, okay? And now we are going to put the wine, a liter of wine, 1.5 cups of sugar. The wine, you can choose the one you prefer, okay guys? Now in another pan, we are going to add 400 grams of condensed milk while the Sago is boiling, okay? 1.5 tablespoons of maize starch. Mix it. 1 egg yolk. 3 actually, guys, sorry. With the stove still off, okay? And meanwhile, the Sago is boiling in medium heat. Then let's add 700 milliliters of milk, and now let's turn it on in medium heat until it's thicker. And then add 200 grams of heavy cream. And this white cream, guys, is amazing. It gives a special touch to our Sago. Now let's put it in a recipient just until it's cold. And our Sago is like this, as you can see. It reduced a lot, okay? You can see by the mark on the pan. And it will reduce a little bit more. Let's put it all in another recipient, and look how beautiful it is, guys. Very beautiful, this color as well, very tasty. And you have no idea how good it is for winter, okay? There's nothing better than that. Let's put the Sago here, and then the white cream. It will, give the special touch to it. It's amazing. This combination is wonderful, guys. It's breathtaking. And this is the real Sago, right, guys? A lot of people don't know how to make it, so just follow the step-by-step that it will work, okay? And this was today's dish. Thank you for watching till here, and see you guys around. Bye!